Hello, this is Chef Jackie by request. I got this next recipe from your comment. Gusto nyo pala ng earthquake loaf. Here you go!
Put your milk in a bowl and then dissolve your instant yeast. And then you can already add the rest of the ingredients sa ating dough, except for the butter. So you let this knead for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, don't forget to add the fat. So ginagamit natin dito ay butter. And then when it's nice and stretchy and elastic like so, get an oiled bowl and then stretch into a very tight ball. Cover with plastic and let this rise for an hour. Brush your loaf pan with oil. After 1 hour, divide your dough into 3, about 300 grams isa. Bilugin ang bawat isa and then roll out the first one. How wide? Depende kung gaano ka-wide ang loaf pan mo. Yun ang sundan mo. And then roll it into a thin rectangle. After this, i-grate mo na yung cheese sa gitna. The more cheese, of course, the more masarap. And then roll it up, seam side down, lagay sa pan, and then let it rise for about 45 minutes. Then lagyan nyo ng egg wash. After nyo siya i-egg wash, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng crack sa gitna by using a blade or a small knife. Kaya siya tinawag na earthquake loaf. And then, you add more cheese on top kasi itong magbibigay ng very crunchy bits sa ibabaw. And of course, masarap talaga ang maraming cheese. Kapag may fan ng iyong oven, it's 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And then, if your oven has no fan, it's 30 minutes. So, after the time given, makikita mo ang ating earthquake loaf ay very beautiful, well-risen, at golden. Yung cheese, nakakadagdag yan ng ating mga crunchy top, no? Masarap yan sa texture. And then, of course, maganda yung pagkabuka ng gitna. So, don't slice, wait 30 minutes, and then you can slice. Look at that. Napakadaming cheese. Bawat kagat ay meron. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like and share para marami kaming magawang video para sa inyo. Thank you!